Okay, this small video is about how to do dot product and cross product in vectors. So this is the typical type of problem that you have in statics. In physics, probably you saw it like this: 1, negative 2, 1 dot multiplied by negative 3, 4, negative 3. We use this type of nomenclature here in this part. But let's say that you have to do u dot v, dot product. Remember, dot product is not about explaining u, but it's I dot I times I plus j times j plus k times k. So the result of this should be negative 14 of this dot product. But let me show you how to do it with the calculator. So basically, you come here and you select the vector function. Now you go to edit, and we're going to edit the first vector. If you are ijk, then you're going to use 3. If it's only I and j, or j and k, you use 2. Okay, but we're going to be using 3. Hit OK, and then you're going to put these coefficients: 1, negative 2, 1. That's all you do. The vector u is already created. Now you get out of here, you go to vector again, you go to edit, and we're going to create the second vector, which is the vector v. The vector v is also 3 dimension, so you hit OK, and then you put these coefficients: negative 3, 4, negative 3. If you don't know how to get out of this, look, this is, once you put the value, you just second off on, and you are out again. Now we are going to do the actual cross product, dot product. So you come here, vectors again, and you go to math, and the first one is dot product. So you're gonna be doing the dot product of your two pre-created vectors, u and v. So you go vector again, and you name u, put a comma, second dot is the comma, vector again, and now you put the vector v. You don't need to close the parentheses, but close it because, I don't know, maybe my OCD is talking here. And then you hit enter. You see? Negative 14. Now let's say that you have to do the cross product. Cross product. And I didn't do this by hand, but I don't know what is the result. But I already have these two vectors stored. So it will be the same process. You put the first vector, you put the second vector, yada, yada, yada. And then you want to do the cross product. Well, then you come here to vector, you go to math, and you go to cross product, which is the second one. Cross product of the vectors u, vector again, first vector u, comma, second vector, vector again, vector v, close parentheses, and that will be the result of the cross product, which is just 2i plus 0j negative 2k, or 2, 0, negative 2 as you want. Let's say that you want the magnitude also of the vector. Now that we have the vectors already entered over there. Well, the vector function, second quit, the vector function allows you also to find the magnitude of the vector. So you go to math, and you go to the magnitude of the vector. And let's say that you want the magnitude of the vector u. So you go to vector, u, close parentheses, and it's a square root of 6. Because this is a square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is square root of 6. That will be the magnitude of that. I hope that it helps in your future, at least in this class. And see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day.